Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrul Nahar, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 3, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Now today's topic is chapter 8. That means today we will know about the continents and the oceans. So all of you can take your book and go to page 44, and the name of this chapter is the continents and ocean. Let's start our class. So chapter 8, the continents and oceans. Today we will know about the continents and oceans. So at first we will know about the continents, and we know that there are 7 continents in the world. That means the lands, the flatlands, the mountains and the deserts all are included in our continents. Let's read. We live on Earth. So where do you live? We live on Earth. Earth is one of the planets of the solar system. So Earth is one of the planet of the solar system. Its shape is a sphere. Now look at the picture of the Earth. Its shape is sphere, that means round. Now look, it's a sphere shape. There is land and water on the surface. So on the surface of the earth you will find land and water. So the land is called continent and the water is called oceans. Okay, let's read. The land is made up of flat land, mountains and deserts. Now look, the land is made up of flat land, mountains and deserts. The water is seas and rivers. So what is the water? The water is seas and rivers. 1/4 of the earth is land. So now look, 1/4 of the earth is land. So if you divide the earth into 4 parts, so 1 part is land and the rest of the part, that means now look, 1/4 of the earth is land and 3/4 is earth. So 3/4 of the earth is water. Okay, now look, if you divide the earth in 4 parts, 1/4 is land and the rest of the 3/4 are water. So those are water and only this part is land. Okay, let's read. So you can underline, those lines are important. Now look, the land on earth has been divided into 7 continents. So this 1/4 of the earth is divided into 7 continents and the continents are divided into different countries. Now look, the land on earth has been divided into 7 continents. You can also underline this sentence. Read their names below and find them on the map. So we will find them on the map, and there is a color picture in your book. I can show you the book. Now look, there is a colorful picture in your book. So all of you follow your book. This picture is colorful and we will find out the continents in our book. Now look, the biggest continent is Asia. So among the 7 continents, Asia is the biggest continent and the smallest is Australia. So remember this, the biggest continent is Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. Each continent is divided into many countries. I have told you each continent is divided into many countries, and there is the name of the 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, let's find Asia in the map. Now look, Asia. So this is Asia, and then Europe, here Europe, and then Africa. This is Africa. Then North America. Now this part is North America. Then South America. This is South America. Australia. This continent is called Australia, the smallest continent. And now look, Antarctica. Here is the Antarctica. So now look at the map. Now this continent, that means Asia is the biggest continent. among the 7 continents, and Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, dear students, now we will go to our next page, page number 45. Now look, we will do extend C. Match these animals with the continents they live in. Now look, there is a picture of kangaroo, penguin, panda and giraffe, and there are 4 continents. There are, the name of the 4 continents are given: Asia, Antarctica, Africa and Australia. So where you will find kangaroo? Yes, we all know that we will find kangaroo in Australia. Then penguin, where you will find penguin? Yes, we will find penguin in Antarctica. And panda, where you will find panda? In Asia. That means in the biggest continent, and we also live in Asia. That means we are the part of the Asia continent. Now giraffe, you will find giraffe in Africa. Now we will go to section D. Check, tick the right answer. How much of the earth is water? Option A 1/4, option B 3/4, option C 3/5, option D 1/5. Yes, we all know that 3/4 of the earth is water. So option B will be the correct answer. Now we will go to our next lesson, that means the oceans. Now we will know about the oceans. Now look, a very large area with saline water larger than a sea is called an ocean. That means ocean is larger than the sea and sea is larger than the river. Now look, and the water tastes saline. That means the water is salty. A very large area with saline water, that means salty water larger than the sea is called an ocean. So what is ocean? A very large area with saline water is called ocean, and there are 5 oceans on earth. There are 5 oceans on the earth, and do you know what are they? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic and Southern. The biggest is the Pacific Ocean and the smallest is the Arctic Ocean. The 5 oceans are. Now look, we will remember the biggest is the Pacific Ocean and the smallest is the Arctic Ocean, and the name of the 5 oceans are given, and all of you learn the name of these 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Okay, let's try to find it out, find them out in the map. Okay, now look, here are the continents and oceans on a flat map of the earth. Read the compass points north, south, east and west. Now look, this is north, this part is south, this is east and this is west. Okay, now look, where is Pacific Ocean? This is Pacific Ocean. Here is the Pacific Ocean, and this is the flat map, okay, of our earth. Now Atlantic Ocean, where is Atlantic? Okay, now look, there is the Atlantic Ocean. Indian Ocean, now here is the Indian Ocean, this part is Indian Ocean. Then Arctic Ocean, where is the Arctic Ocean? Here, now look, there is the Arctic Ocean. And Southern Ocean, where is the Southern Ocean? This part is Southern Ocean. And where is Asia? This part is Asia, this is Europe, this is Africa, this is North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So you will find the 7 continents and 5 oceans in this map. So oceans in the world map. Now look, you can see your book. This picture is very colorful and it will be helpful for you. Now look, there is different color. So this is Asia, this is Europe, Africa, North America is in yellow color. Now look, South America, Australia and Antarctica, and there are the oceans: Pacific Oceans, Indian Oceans, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Oceans. So all the oceans are here, 5 oceans. Now we will go to our next page. In next page we will do a matching. Now look, we will do section D. Match the phrases on the left with the words on the right. And this is your homework also. So all of you will do your homework. This is homework number 5. Now look, number A, 1/4 of the earth is. Option number B, the smallest continent is. Number C, the number of continents is. D, a large water body is called N. And number E, the continents are divided into. Now we will read the right column. Countries, land, oceans, 7 and Australia. Okay, now we will match. Number A, 1/4 of the earth is, and we all know that 1/4 of the earth is land. So we will match A with the word land. 1/4 of the earth is land. Now number B, the smallest continent is. The smallest continent is which one? Yes, we all know that. I know all of you know the answer. The smallest continent is Australia. Now number C, the number of continents is. How many continents are there? Yes, there are 7 continents. The number of continents is 7. So we will match it with the word 7. Now number D, a large water body is called an what? Yes, we all know that a large water body is called an ocean. So we will match it with ocean. Now the last one, the continents are divided into what? Countries. Yes, the continents are divided into countries, and we will match it with countries. So there is a matching, and this matching is your homework. Okay, dear students, this is homework number 5. You will do matching from page number 47. That is from chapter 8. You will do the matching which is on page number 47. This matching is your homework. Page number 47. This is your homework number 5. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday. And if you have any problem regarding these 2 lessons, or if you have any questions, you can ask me in your live class, or you can also contact me over phone. So dear students, see you again. Allah Hafiz.